All right, so here is the activity from 3.3. And again, this is to introduce you to inference and using simulations. So it says, do students prefer name brand cookies? In this activity, we'll get a taste of what inference is all about. 30 randomly selected high school students were asked to taste 2 unlabeled cookies and identify which cookie they preferred. One of these cookies was a name brand cookie, Chips Ahoy, and the other was a store brand cookie, Chip Mates. The order in which the 2 cookies were presented was determined at random using a coin flip. Of these 30 students, 19 preferred the name brand cookies and 11 preferred the store brand cookies. So although more than half of the members of the sample, right, 19 out of 30, preferred the name brand cookie, is it possible that the 2 types of cookies are equally preferred at this high school? And we got a value this large because of sampling variability, sample variability. Let's do a simulation to determine if there is convincing evidence that the majority of students at this high school prefer the name brand cookie. All right, so again, we are asking ourselves, okay, so we got one result of 19 out of 30. Is that enough to really say that there's a preference for a cookie? Or again, did we just get 19? If we did the next one, would have you gotten 19 for the Chip Mates, the other way? So again, this is this idea of getting convincing evidence, right? Convincing evidence for a claim, right? A claim, okay? So we're going to talk about how we do this with simulation. Okay, so it says to simulate, we will use a coin with heads representing name brand cookie and tails representing store brand cookie. Why is flipping a coin a good simulation? So I need you to write down your answer to that. Next, to simulate the preferences of a random sample of 30 students, click on the underlying linked coin flipper at random.org. So I will do that. It'll take you to this website. This is new. I don't know. This is maybe a Twinsburg thing. All right, and it gave me to it. Again, allow selected cookies, whatever. Okay, so it says we want to flip 30 virtual coins of type US 1 cent penny. So 30 coins, and we're going to select US all the way to the bottom, US 1 cent penny. Okay, so we're going to click flip coins. Oh, there you go. And I want you to record how many times name brand or Chips Ahoy was chosen, and this is going to be the number of heads randomly generated. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I had 12 heads in this sample. So I had 12 in my first sample. We're going to repeat this process 40 times and write the number of name brand or heads each time. So I had 12. I'm going to go down here, flip again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This time I got 17. I'm going to flip again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I got 12 this time. So I think you get the picture, right? And this should just take you time, but you got to do it 40 times. Okay? Then you're going to create a dot plot displaying the simulated number who prefer name brand cookie by clicking on the underlying link here. So you're going to call this simulated number who prefer name brand cookie. It is a raw data one group, and you're just going to take, I think you can copy and paste. If I go back, let's see. Yep. Let's see if I can copy. Oh, I can't. So 12, 17, 12. That's disappointing. So just take a picture and do it. Okay, and begin analysis. And all you have to do is you have to take the dot plot. And again, somehow, somewhere you have to copy and paste it in there. Again, use the 3 buttons on your Chromebook, or I have a clipping tool that I can use, and that's how I do it. And I'll copy and paste it in question 4. This will be part A. Okay. And then part B says, based on the dot plot, is there convincing evidence that the name brand cookie is preferred? So we did this before, if you remember, with the sodas and you're a winner the very first day of class. So is there convincing evidence that the brand name cookie is preferred, or is it plausible that the cookies are equally preferred at the school? So to decide, find the proportion or the percentage of those simulations that result in 19 or more name brand cookies chosen. We do or more because if there was 20 name brand or 21, or that would just be, more of a demonstration that there is a preference for name brand. So 19 or more. Okay, so once you get that percentage, and again, you're out of 40 times, right? You're going to compare that number to 5%. And again, this is 5% by chance. If you get a number less than 5%, that means that it's very unlikely for this result to happen by chance. So the fact that it did happen matters. That means there is a preference for the name brand cookie. If this occurs more than 5%, so if 19 or more name brand cookies occurs more than 5%, then it's too likely to happen by chance, and it's just plausible that the cookies are still equally preferred. So again, hopefully that makes sense. You write down your answer there and turn it in. All right, have fun.